Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is a quick video. I wanted to show you guys what happens when you change from park to drive or to reverse while the car is moving, or if you're accelerating while you're changing gears. Obviously this is not recommended in any car, but I'm going to do it for the sake of the YouTube video. Now we all know that during the change from, for example, reverse to drive, it takes a bit of a while to actually change into the correct gear. Now, I'm not sure if automatic transmission nowadays have some sort of fail-safe mode if you change from reverse to drive at a certain speed. But I'm gonna try it under 5 miles per hour. I do not want to break the car or damage the transmission. Okay guys, so first off, I'm gonna put it in drive. As you can see right there, we have the D, it's in drive. We're gonna go ahead and move forward. Let me take off the emergency brake. We're gonna move forward. And I'm gonna change to reverse. Boom, reverse. And it actually caught reverse under 5 miles per hour. Okay, there was a bit of a weird sound when I changed to reverse. It sounded sort of like a groaning noise. Anyways, let's go ahead and try that one more time, but in reverse, changing to drive. It's something we do every single day when we pull out of our driveway and we actually change the car from reverse to drive without stopping. Okay guys, we're in drive. We're gonna change to reverse. We're gonna back up a bit. And boom, drive. Oh. Okay. So that was interesting. The car actually kept on going or rolling backwards, and when I pressed the gas, it kind of jerked forward, like sort of in a gear grasping mode. Let's go ahead and try it one more time. I want to see what is the outcome, if we have an average outcome or a different outcome. Once again, put in reverse. We're gonna start moving in reverse. I'm gonna actually accelerate while I'm doing this gear change. This is kind of dangerous. Let's go ahead and do it. Oh, that was bad. Okay guys, so that was a gear slam basically. So that's what you call, you know, if you're reversing out of your driveway and you suddenly change into drive, but you accelerate at the same time. So basically you're having your transmission change from reverse to drive while it's accelerating, so it's slamming into drive. So guys, the transmission's fine. I changed from drive all the way back to reverse, and everything seems to be working perfectly, so we're good on that aspect. Okay guys, so my recommendation is that don't change your gears while you're actually moving. This actually causes a lot of premature wear on the transmission and the transmission fluids. Also guys, please don't try this at home. This was actually a test and I was doing it under controlled circumstances. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this short video. Remember to subscribe and hit post notification for more Garage Gang. Take care.